G'day, it's Tim here from Geeks on Tap. It's great to be back with you again today. Today, I want to talk to you about a recent situation of a school I know. I'll discuss the great things they're doing, but the vulnerability they missed and how you can avoid this situation. First, let's set the background. You have an acceptable use policy, it's been adopted by your staff, and all's going well. The policy links to the procedures, and your staff are actively completing the request form. Sounds good so far. You've set policies in console that your team can provision and control external apps, extensions, even internally generated code. Again, sounds great so far. The review stage commences. Your team performs the checks required, and one of your support desk team members connects the app to your domain for testing. Too late, you're compromised. So, we know where your best laid plans fell over, but how can we avoid this? Google for Education customers can work through a few easy steps to set up a test domain that will allow that same IT admin to load and safely test those resources without the potential exposure of your production domain. A link to the guide will be in the details below. If you're a corporate customer, talk to our support team today and we can assist you with the process of setting up a test or development sandbox for your domain. It's been great working with you today and helping you to avoid these problems. I'll see you again soon.